Another morning at my desk, familiar light, familiar stress, but something's changed in how I start. It's not the work, it's the heart. You're not just good at what you do, you make it safe for me to ask hard things, to make mistakes, to show the truth my silence breaks. It's not the perks or polished praise, it's the way you hold the space. You build with trust, not just control. You care for people, not just roles. I used to think I had to stand alone, but you remind me I've outgrown the fear of speaking, failing, feeling slow. With you I find the strength to grow. These are the ones beside me, lifting the load quietly. Not just co-workers, not just friends. They're the reason I begin again. When the goal feels far, the path unclear, they stay and say, we'll get there from here. This isn't just where we get paid, this is where our courage gets made. You never say that's not my task, you just ask how can I help with that. You don't just trust what I can do, you trust that I'll follow through. There's a rhythm here, a silent code that says we instead of I alone. You show me what a good team means. It's not just shared work, it's shared belief. When I feel small, when stakes are steep, you're still right here while others sleep. One look, one nod, and I recall I don't have to climb this wall alone at all. These are the ones beside me, their quiet strength defines me. With them I try, with them I trust, together more than skill or dust. This is the place that lifts me high, not by luck, but by who stands by. It's not just work, it's how we rise, with colleagues who see through honest eyes. The best thing here, it isn't pay, it's who I get to walk with every day. The ones who hold me when I bend, the reason I begin again.